Hi children, in this video we will continue our chapter the fundamental unit of life and we will be discussing three cell organelles. First one is Golgi apparatus, then lysosome and mitochondria. You can see here the diagram of a cell, and in last session we studied about the endoplasmic reticulum. Now we can see three more cell organelles. One is mitochondria. See, this is mitochondria, and lysosome here, and Golgi apparatus. Now let's study about Golgi apparatus. So this is the structure of Golgi apparatus and how this Golgi apparatus got that name. One scientist named Camillo Golgi discovered the Golgi apparatus. That's why that cell organelle got the name Golgi apparatus. The scientist's name was Camillo Golgi. When we examine the structure of Golgi apparatus, you can see so many vesicles are there and parallelly arranged stalks you can see here. These stalks are known as cisterns and each of have separate membranes. Sometimes these membranes are connecting to the endoplasmic reticulum. So let's see, it contains vesicles that are arranged parallel in stalks, and these stalks are called cisterns. And these vesicles and stalks have separate membranes. Sometimes these membranes are connected to the endoplasmic reticulum. Then coming to the functions of Golgi apparatus, there are mainly four functions. First function is Golgi apparatus carries material synthesized by the endoplasmic reticulum to different part of the cell. We know that endoplasmic reticulum normally producing lipids and proteins. So these are carried by this Golgi apparatus. And second function is they also storing these materials which are produced by endoplasmic reticulum, proteins, lipids which are produced by endoplasmic reticulum, and it is stored inside the vesicles, vesicles of Golgi apparatus. And the third function is it is helping for the formation of complex sugars. It is helping for the synthesis of complex sugars. And last function is helping for the formation of lysosome. Lysosome, it's another cell organelle. So Golgi apparatus helping for the formation of lysosome. So these are the four functions of Golgi apparatus. It acts as a carrier for transport, then it is helping for the storage, then it is helping for the formation of complex sugars, and it also helping for the formation of lysosomes. So these are the functions. Let's move to the next cell organelle, that is lysosome. So this is the structure of lysosome. We can say that it is a spherical structure, spherical sac-like structure which contains several digestive enzymes inside this membrane. This is the outermost membrane. Inside this membrane, digestive enzymes are present, and normally these are found in eukaryotic cell and mainly in animal cell. In plant cell, normally lysosomes are absent. Functions of lysosomes. So we know that this is the structure. It contains an outer membrane and inside this enzymes are there. So first function, lysosome help in the digestion of foreign substances. Due to this enzymes, lysosome can digest the foreign substance which are entering to the cell. Then this way it providing protection against bacteria and virus. Then last point, they help to keep the cell clean. So these are the functions of lysosome. Lysosome help for the digestion of foreign substances, thus it providing protection. Why these lysosomes are called suicide bags? Let's check the answer. I told you this is the structure of lysosome and it contains enzyme. When a cell get damaged, the lysosome will burst open, and the enzymes will come out. It will damage or it will digest the whole cell. That's why the lysosomes are known as suicide bags. We can move to the next cell organelle, that is mitochondria. See, this is the structure of mitochondria. You can see this is rod shaped structure. They are small rod-shaped cell organelles, and in this diagram you can see two membranes, one outer membrane and one inner membrane. The inner membrane is folded structure and the outer membrane is porous in nature. Porous in nature means small pores are present or small holes are present in the outer membrane, and inner membrane that is deeply folded. And this mitochondria will contain DNA and ribosomes. Small amounts of DNA and ribosomes are present in mitochondria. So mitochondria, it is a rod-shaped cell organelle. It contains two membranes, outer membrane and inner membrane. Then it contains DNA and ribosomes. Mitochondria is known as powerhouse of the cell. Mitochondria is known as powerhouse of the cell because we know that cell need energy for doing different activities. So this energy is produced inside this mitochondria. Energy is produced inside the mitochondria. So mitochondria is known as powerhouse of the cell. And mitochondria generates a molecule known as ATP. ATP, the full form is adenosine triphosphate, which is known as energy currency. Okay, ATP is the energy giving molecule of the cell, so it is known as energy currency of the cell. So mitochondria is known as powerhouse of the cell, and ATP, which is known as energy currency of the cell.